my name is Anna-Maria and I'm a test engineer for BSI in Loughborough. Today we're going to talk about the carbon monoxide and what it is and what carbon monoxide alarms are and what they do. First, the carbon monoxide is a gas with no smell and no color and is known as the silent killer. Faults can and do happen between inspections. That's why it's really important that each home to have at least one carbon monoxide alarms. For testing of carbon monoxide alarm, we are using a testing rig for British standard and European standard 5029-1-1 2018 version, the latest one. We are inserting inside the rig all the alarms in the box, and each box has its own analyzer. The analyzer will read the different levels of carbon monoxide that are injected in the box. The most usual tests that we are performing are test gas A, B, C, D, but also 5000 ppm, long-term stability, temperature and humidity effects, and a lot more. As an example of different concentrations and what actually does as a symptoms in a human body is 5000 ppm, for example. The alarms that are inserted in the box should go off within 3 minutes from the time that are exposed to that higher volume ratio of carbon monoxide. The symptoms of a human body that is exposed to this higher concentration will result in headache, nausea within 5 to 10 minutes and death in less than 30 minutes. That's why it's really important to have a detector in your house. As another example is test gas A, that we are inserting the alarm inside the box at a concentration of 27 ppm for 120 minutes, and it shouldn't go off at any time. The symptoms of a human body that is exposed to this concentration will result in slightly nausea and dizziness, but after 7 to 8 hours of constant exposure. Another example will be test gas B, which represent the alarms being exposed at 55 ppm for 90 minutes. The alarms shouldn't go off within 60 minutes, but it should go off after 60 minutes, but not more than 90 minutes. And also, when it's exposed in clean air, it should recover from the alarm in less than 6 minutes. Our testing provides parameters and results that demonstrate that each alarm will react in time, and you and your family will be safe with the detector in your house from the silent killer carbon monoxide.